You have collaborated with all the big music composers in the industry, from Amit Trivedi to Kailash Kher to Anu Malik. तो बताइए आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा and how did you reach out to these people?
So once I got the idea, I just cold messaged him. His manager called me up. He spoke. He like कल ही कर लेते हैं, and then we started doing it.
तो मयूर हमें बताइए सोशल मीडिया स्टार कैसे बनते हैं?
I go into the footsteps of the audience. Like अगर मैं audience होता तो मैं ये देख के क्या सोचता? And there's something that my sister told me that has stuck with me that really helped me a lot. Do one thing, make a list of not one but 10 backups. Can you sing something for me? And then I'll try to make something out of it.
जाइए आपका
So I can just make a song out of anything on the fly, just like that.
Wow. आज हम मिलने वाले हैं एक यूनिक आर्टिस्ट से, समवन हुज गॉट अ मास्टर्स डिग्री फ्रॉम द बर्कली कॉलेज ऑफ म्यूजिक, अ बाउंड्री पुशर, someone who's known to collaborate with famous icons like Kailash Kher, Anu Malik, Amit Trivedi, Sunil Shetty, and who's turned Shark Tank India panel into a musical inspiration. Because of his passion for music and incredible talent, he's also been awarded as the Music Influencer of the Year 2024. Let's welcome famous musician Mayur Jumani. Hello, Mayur.
Hi, thank you for having me over here.
Yeah, how are you doing today?
I'm doing amazing. How about you?
Very good. So मयूर हमें बताइए कि आपने एज अ म्यूजिशियन जर्नी कब शुरू की?
मेरी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई थी as a musician. I would say like when I was 4 years old, I picked up my mini Casio keyboard,
अच्छा.
and वहाँ से I started playing. So that was my first instrument that I picked up. That's when my parents also knew कि थोड़ा बहुत इसको ये हो रहा है.
हाँ.
He knows a little bit about music. He has that innate thing. But it was always a hobby.
Right.
After my schooling, I went into science. I graduated as an engineer, and till then, it was always a hobby. After graduating, I realized कि नहीं यार ये 9 to 6 वाला चीज मुझे नहीं करना है. I want to do something else.
Right.
That's when I started taking music seriously. I started producing music. I think second year of college is when I actually started producing music myself.
Oh, okay.
So I had these compositions in my head. I had to get it down into the laptop and like create songs out of it. So I started learning that by myself. And the moment it became my career was when I applied to Berkeley itself.
Right.
I was doing a job. I'm like, चलो apply करके देखते हैं क्या होगा. If I get in, then great. So I applied for the masters. Somehow I got in. I got through the interview rounds, and that was when it really became a like that was a no look back thing. कि वहाँ से तो music has to be my career after that.
Yeah. So आपने कहा कि आपने बर्कली कॉलेज ऑफ म्यूजिक से मास्टर्स की डिग्री ली, बट इंडिया में यूजुअली हमने देखा है कि म्यूजिक को एज अ हॉबी लिया जाता है, एज अ प्रोफेशन बहुत कम लोग बनाते हैं. यू नो, सो हाउ सपोर्टिव वर योर पेरेंट्स व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड योर म्यूजिकल जर्नी?
Actually, at that time, उन्होंने support किया था. Initially, they were in that zone only कि society का pressure आता ही है ना कि बेटा science कर ले, engineering कर ले. My dad is a doctor. Everyone in my family is science based. My
Okay.
sister is an engineer. तो ऐसे हुआ कि initially engineering के time पे when I was slightly leaning towards music, I could see that उन लोग के दिमाग में तो नहीं है म्यूजिक. बट once I graduated, once I started working और एक बार एडमिशन मिल गया, that's when I went to them. एक तो मैंने बताया नहीं था कि मैं अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ. एडमिशन मिल गया, फिर मैंने जाके उनको बताया कि देखो बर्कली में मिल रहा है, एंड वी जस्ट हैड दिस कॉन्वर्जेशन कि आगे क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. बिकॉज what I told them is जो भी हो बैकअप तो है ही मेरे पास. आई कैन ऑलवेज गो बैक टू व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग बिफोर. दिस इज समथिंग आई वांट टू ट्राई इट आउट. अगर हुआ तो इट्स ग्रेट. And there's something that my sister told me that has stuck with me, that really helped me a lot. She told me, look, you're going from whatever your secured career to something that's very risky.
Correct.
So do one thing, make a list of not one but 10 backups.
Okay.
10 बैकअप प्लान बनाओ, it within music only, कि what other things you can do if you're not an artist, let's say. What things are you going to do by which you can earn your living? तो मैंने ऐसे 10 बैकअप प्लान्स बना दिए थे. सिंपल थिंग्स जैसे 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 पॉडकास्ट में नॉइज कैंसलेशन होता है, उसके लिए वी हायर समवन, राइट? तो दीज सिंपल थिंग्स दैट आई हैड रिटन डाउन, लाइक स्टार्टिंग योर ओन स्टूडियो, दूसरों के लिए प्रोड्यूस करना, दूसरों के लिए मिक्स मास्टर करना, ये सब चीज़ें मैंने लिख के रखा था कि इसमें इतना इतना आई कैन अर्न. तो एटलीस्ट वो बेसिक एक तो हो ही जाएगा मेरा
कि कहीं ना कहीं से अर्निंग्स
हाँ,
तो रहेंगी.
या अगर मेरे सॉन्ग्स बॉलीवुड में नहीं आए या मैं कंपोजर बड़ा नहीं बन पाया,
Correct.
तो ये सब चीज़ें तो है ही जो मैं कर पाऊंगा. एंड दैट रियली हेल्प मी बिकॉज आई केम बैक फ्रॉम बर्कली इन 2017.
अच्छा.
एंड उसके बाद 2020 में लॉकडाउन हुआ था व्हेन सोशल मीडिया स्टार्टेड. तो बीच के 3 साल वाज प्रॉपर स्ट्रगल ईयर्स बोलते हैं ना उसको.
हाँ.
तो उसमें आई वाज डूइंग ऑल दीज स्मॉल थिंग्स. ऐसे नहीं था कि मैं कुछ कमा नहीं रहा था, कुछ ना कुछ करके कमा रहा था. 2018 में आई गॉट अ जॉब एज अ टीचर ऑल्सो.
अच्छा.
सो तभी से मेरा टीचिंग जर्नी भी चालू हो गया था. एंड इट वॉज अ लिटिल दिस थिंग कि अभी तो मेरा खुद का करियर स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ, मैं टीचिंग क्यों कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
बट एट द सेम टाइम आई लाइक इट, लाइक जो भी हो रहा था, इट वाज अ प्लस पॉइंट फॉर मी.
So basically, you enjoyed music so
Yeah.
much कि you wanted to do things related to
Yeah,
music.
yeah, exactly.
always.
Hmm.
Right. So Berklee College of Music में आपका experience कैसा रहा?
बर्कली में इट वॉज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ईयर्स ऑफ माई लाइफ,
अच्छा.
आई हैव टू से. जो भी मैंने सीखा वहाँ पे, ऐसे जैसे अपने यहाँ पे जो भी होता है, इंजीनियरिंग होता है, ये सब होता है, यू काइंड ऑफ गो थ्रू योर बुक्स, यू रीड,
Right.
यू गिव योर एग्जाम्स, वही होता है ना.
हाँ.
एंड देन यू हैव अ सेपरेट कॉलेज लाइफ विच यू एंजॉय.
Hmm.
Now in Berkeley, what the thing is, both of them were combined.
Hmm.
Like I was enjoying learning whatever I was being taught.
Correct.
तो ये जो म्यूजिक में हो रहा था, जो भी प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज भी मिल रहा था, द पीपल ऑल्सो दैट आई वाज विथ, उनके साथ कोलैबोरेशंस करके, देयर वर पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, 90 कंट्रीज से कुछ आए थे
Wow.
फॉर द मास्टर्स कोर्स. एंड आई वाज टॉकिंग टू ऑल ऑफ देम, कोलैबोरेटिंग विद देम. ऐसे अच्छे अच्छे गाने बने थे. इनफैक्ट वन ऑफ द सॉन्ग्स दैट आई मेड इन बर्कली with this singer and violinist called Olivia, that song got taken in a movie called Bypass Road. That was my first movie as a composer.
Oh wow.
So that happened in 2019.
अच्छा.
So the things that I have done in Berkeley, I just want to go back over there. And in fact, early this year, I had gone back to Berkeley. They called me as a guest speaker about
Oh.
social media and everything.
Wow.
So that was like a whole like turnaround moment कि
Right.
चलो कुछ तो किया लाइफ में.
From being a student to maybe
Yeah.
talking about
Talking about
music.
it.
Yeah. That's a great journey actually.
Thanks a lot.
तो हमें बताइए, अभी आप कोलैबोरेशन की बातें कर रहे थे. You have collaborated with all the big music composers in the industry, from Amit Trivedi to Kailash Kher to Anu Malik. तो बताइए आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा and how did you reach out to these people?
Experience first of all, because they've all been my idols at
Right.
one point or the other, and मैं उनके गाने सुन के बड़ा हुआ हूँ.
जी.
So it was a big deal for me to even like just be in the same room and talk to them. सबका अलग अलग ये हुआ था. Like Kailash Kher, because I had worked with him in the past. There was this show called IPML where I was producing all the songs for him. तो तभी से connect तो था ही. So once I got the idea, I just cold messaged him. His manager called me up. He spoke. He like कल ही कर लेते हैं, and then we started doing it. Like it just happened. जैसे Amit Trivedi का also, he wanted to promote his whole album that came out.
Okay.
So our teams connected, and then I like once we connect, I just want to make that direct contact with him क्योंकि we'll be, it's not just a collaboration की बस वीडियो में आ गए ना, हम लोग
Right.
प्रॉपरली गाना बना रहे हैं उसमें.
Right.
बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं, तो just sharing the song with each other, seeing how it's progressing
Yeah,
and all
that's
that.
right.
So I had this direct connect, and the best part was just the communication with them. Like
Right.
वीडियो तो चलो बना लिया हम लोग ने, but
हाँ.
just understanding his workflow, him looking at my workflow, that was
Right.
the connection point.
बट वो वीडियो बनाने में आपको कितनी प्लानिंग करनी पड़ती है?
So वीडियो तो वो एक दिन में होता है.
Right.
But usually how my social media goes is that I always make a song for every video. तो
Correct.
उसमें at least एक हफ्ता तो minimum लगता है पूरा
अच्छा.
बनाने में.
Okay. बट आप पहले से सोच लेते हैं कि इस बंदे के साथ कोलैब करना है, और इट्स जस्ट द आइडिया दैट
हाँ,
स्ट्राइक्स
कभी कभी आइडिया भी पहले आ जाता है.
अच्छा
Like I have the idea and then I'm like, this is the perfect person to collaborate with on
अच्छा।
this idea. और कभी कभी we start with like we just discuss कि चलो कुछ collaborate करते हैं and then idea आ जाता है.
ओके कूल, मतलब इट वर्क्स बोथ
It
द
works both ways, yeah.
अच्छा। और आपका सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग काम जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है वाज विद द पैनल ऑफ शार्क टैंक इंडिया का जो आपने एक सॉन्ग बनाया था, एक फन सॉन्ग था एक्चुअली, उसका आइडिया कहाँ से आया आपको?
उसका तो the moment I got this news from my brother, he manages me. He's like Shark Tank को का नया सीजन आ रहा है, उनको कुछ करना है. Like they want to do something with you. And I'm like, एक ही चीज कर सकते हैं. हर एक मीम बना है जो इसका, सब मीम्स को एक ही गाने में डाल दो and let's make a song out of it. So
Yeah.
immediately उसका तो idea was right there. I did not think कि we'll get the set and everything to do this.
Right.
Like वीडियो मैंने नहीं सोचा था, बट ऑडियो तो मेरे दिमाग में immediately आ गया था कि अमन का ये डायलॉग है, नमिता का ये डायलॉग है, we'll just make a form a proper song and I'll get them to sing on it.
Correct.
And then बात करते करते we were like, what if I actually come to the set as someone who's pitching, and then turns out I'm pitching the song.
Correct.
And वहाँ से reply में वो लोग अपना गाना गा रहे हैं.
Okay.
So that
like
kind of built up, and ultimately like they were so, the best part was that they were so willing to do it.
correct.
Like उनका शो चल रहा था, वहाँ पे शूट चल रहा था सीजन 2 का,
हाँ
and जैसे जैसे कोई भी ग्रीन रूम में आ रहा था, they were willing to meet me in the green room and record everything.
Record,
क्योंकि
yeah.
again process है ना,
Correct,
सिर्फ वो
correct.
आधा घंटे का शूट नहीं है,
जी।
उसके पहले वो पूरे सॉन्ग का प्रोसेस था. तो आई रिमेम्बर शाम, आई थिंक अराउंड 2 p.m. I reached over there at the set, and एक एक करके I was recording all of them. 5 o'clock तक उनके ग्रीन रूम्स में बैठ के हम लोग रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे. ये BTS भी बनाया था हम लोग ने.
correct.
तो एक बार हम, और रिकॉर्ड करते नहीं, उन लोग को समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट इज ही
हाँ
मेकिंग.
हाँ हाँ
तो
correct.
6:37 के आसपास वी आर प्लानिंग टू शूट द एक्चुअल वीडियो एट द सेट, एंड मेरे पास आधा घंटा कुछ बचा था. तो आई एम लाइक, व्हाई डोंट आई जस्ट डू द कंप्लीट द सॉन्ग, उनकी आवाज को लेके उसको प्रॉपर्ली मेलोडाइन करता हूँ एंड प्रॉपर्ली ट्यून करता हूँ, एंड देन आई विल मेक देम हियर द फाइनल वर्जन.
Oh.
So within that half an hour of just sitting backstage, I was like, बना दिया
Wow,
मैंने.
you finished the whole
I
song.
finished the
and
song, I
you-
played it on the PA, and they were like, ये हम लोग की आवाज है, how is this
Wow.
possible?
That's awesome, yeah.
So yeah, that's why you can see the excitement in the video.
Correct.
Like they were
yeah.
actually
और
enjoying
उन्होंने
the
काफी
video.
हाँ बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म भी
Hmm.
किया, and I think yeah it is a very unique song and it's a very fun song.
Yeah,
So
thanks a lot.
yeah, I think very good job for that.
Thank you.
तो अभी currently आप कौन से projects कर रहे हैं?
Currently तो a lot of things going on. तो एक तो social media तो चल ही रहा है, उसके अलावा भी बहुत
Right.
कुछ चल रहा है. I just released 3 songs in an OTT show called Hai Junoon. All 3 of them were remakes. Like I don't know क्यों, but मेरे ना इससे remix जुड़ गया है कि मैं remix अच्छे से बना सकता हूँ. After that, I have original songs also coming up. A lot of original compositions coming up. Live shows भी चालू करने वाले हैं. I mean, I keep doing live shows बीच में here there.
Okay.
But एक proper live show एक हम लोग develop कर रहे हैं that we'll
Oh.
start doing later this year. So yeah, a lot
अच्छा.
of good things coming up.
So you also do a lot of Sindhi songs. उसके
Yeah.
बारे में कुछ बताइए.
ये तो अभी just recently there was this one song that came on Coke Studio Pakistan,
हाँ.
which was like I really felt amazed because Sindhi song कोई भी मैंने Sindhi song ऐसा सुना नहीं है.
हाँ, right.
And that was
Sahi.
so well done. So I reached out to Zulfi also. Zulfi is the guy who like he composes everything for Coke Studio Pakistan. And we decided कि चलो एक इसका मैं खुद का अपना version बनाता हूँ.
Correct.
So I made that version, I sent it to him, and then we shot an amazing video. Like I think half the work was just getting the setup at that set. Like it was a very beautiful set that we made. And yeah, that like वहाँ से शुरू हुआ मेरे Sindhi songs का, and like a lot of people just like a lot of Sindhi community, they just
Correct. Yeah, because बहुत कम
Yeah.
गाने हैं ना उस language
yeah. So I got a lot of positive feedback on that.
Yeah.
तो एक शो भी किया था जिसमें एक Sindhi song गाया था.
Okay, very good. I think Sindhi community तो बहुत खुश होगी कि
Yeah.
इतना अच्छा musician उनके इसमें आ गया है. So मयूर, मैंने आपकी videos में देखा है you play multiple instruments. तो वो कैसे कर लेते हैं आप?
मतलब बचपन से ही चला रहा हूँ तो वो आ ही जाता है. I started with the piano.
Okay.
And then I think 10th standard 9th standard में I think I started the guitar as well. तो
Okay.
ये दोनों मेन इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है, बाकी तो ऐसे ही I started picking up on the way.
Wow. So like great interest in music. Yeah, like multiple
Hmm.
instruments बहुत कम लोग बजा पाते हैं. You know, people stick to maximum one or two.
हाँ, but that's
So-
also like once you understand the basics of that music
अच्छा.
theory कि chords क्या होता है, ये scale क्या होता है, and then you can start and then picking up new instruments is not that difficult.
Acha. Mayur, since your sound is not very traditional, where do you get your inspiration from?
भी इंस्पिरेशन तो ये क्वेश्चन लोगों ने काफी पूछा है, इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिलता है. I'm like,
हाँ,
मैं आंखें
मतलब
बंद करके मार्स प्लैनेट पे चले जाके
क्रिएटिविटी
वहाँ
कहाँ से आती है इतनी सारी?
I don't know,
You know?
कैसे एक्सप्लेन करूँ. Like there's no real method of getting your inspiration.
Okay.
जब भी आ जाता है खुद से आ जाता है. You just have to keep an open mind about things.
अच्छा.
तो one thing I've noticed is that गाना बनाते टाइम या कोई भी चीज कर रहे हो ना, if you have just these blocks in your head कि नहीं मैं ये तो सही नहीं लग रहा है, कुछ ऐसे करना है, then you will never be able to open up your creativity. Creativity comes when you open everything.
Right.
You're fine with making mistakes, you're fine with doing wrong things.
Right.
Like काफी कुछ wrong बनाने के बाद ही right बन जाता है ultimately.
हाँ.
So that's just like when I'm working on music, I'll always be open to whatever I'm doing. Like if I make someone sit next to me while I'm making music, they शुरू कर रहा हूँ, they'll be like ये क्या कर रहा है? But then और मुझे भी नहीं पता मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
But if I keep on doing it, कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा बन जाएगा उसमें. So that's my whole
So you have to
process.
keep doing and keep
Yeah,
working towards
yeah.
it to make it better. Like,
Yeah.
अच्छा. लेकिन आपका क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Basically यही है. There's no real this thing कि कभी कभी I start with the idea, कभी I start with a composition in my head.
अच्छा.
कभी I start with the lyrics also कि like ये एक लाइन है दिमाग में कि ऐसे ये लाइन के ऊपर अभी कुछ गाना बनाना है. Then I start. And I've started doing this कि पहले मैं क्या करता था, लैपटॉप खोल के अपने प्रोडक्शन जो भी मेरा सॉफ्टवेयर है उसमें I start putting ideas. But now I've started focusing more on just the instruments. So
अच्छा.
now I'll just sit with the piano, no other distractions, or just sit with the guitar and just build on a composition first. Then I'll think about building the rest of the track.
अच्छा. Other things. And
Yeah, adding other
visuals and instruments,
हाँ.
music, whatever.
Yeah. और मीम्स का तो अलग ही है. उसमें तो एक बार मैं सुनता हूँ वो मीम तो I don't know,
तो आ
दिमाग में
जाती
वो आ जाता है.
क्रिएटिविटी
हाँ.
कहाँ से? नाइस. तो मयूर हमें बताइए सोशल मीडिया स्टार कैसे बनते हैं?
Social media star. I don't consider myself a social media star at all. मतलब मैं बनाता हूँ जो लोगों को entertain करेगा. Like I like making things that I know people will have a smile on their face when they watch.
Right.
तो ऐसे नहीं है कि मैं सोचता हूँ कि मुझे ऐसे बनना है, मुझे ये बनना है. Especially जो meme mixes करता हूँ, it's mainly to
Yeah.
entertain only.
अच्छा.
उसमें मेरा face आया नहीं आया, I don't care.
Hmm.
But अगर if you're talking about social media and how to like get virality and get yourself out there, the main thing that I follow is जैसे virality predict तो कर नहीं सकते,
हाँ.
but the main thing I follow is I go into the footsteps of the audience. Like अगर मैं audience होता तो मैं ये देख के क्या सोचता. You have to think in their terms.
हाँ.
तो first 5 seconds में मैं scroll कर रहा हूँ, तो first 5 ही नहीं, first 2 या 3 seconds में ऐसा क्या है कि मैं रुकूंगा वो वीडियो के लिए. तो वो that like when I'm building my meme mixes or whatever I'm making for social media, I always think of that. Like how the video progresses and towards the end are they getting something. Like ठीक है मैंने शुरू के 3 सेकंड में कुछ हुक तो डाल दिया, आगे कुछ है ही नहीं, तो they'll be वो तो और गुस्से में आ जाएंगे फिर. They will never follow me. They might see the video but they'll never follow me. तो like वो सब मैं सोचता हूँ when I'm building these remixes.
Remixes. So remixes versus original. आपका क्या ओपिनियन है इसके बारे में?
I mean, like I said, I just want to make things that entertain people.
Okay.
तो remix से entertain हो रहा है या original से entertain हो रहा है, doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. But remix बनाना क्या easier है compared to
It's definitely easier. Yeah,
compositions?
it's definitely easier. Depends on how are you remixing it. मतलब remixing can be a quick thing कि बस पीछे beat डाल दिया नया and बन गया. what I do, especially ये जो है जुनून में 3 गाने आए हैं, one was Pag Gumru, one was हम थे वो थी, और one is Ina Mina Diga. All three are super like, मतलब इतने, I'm getting into the footsteps of such big songs, and it's my job to make sure कि ये नया भी लगे लोगों को और पसंद भी आए. तो I had to add new paragraphs. तो मुझे पूरा एक नए तरीके से ही देखना था, स्पेशली पग गुंगरू, क्योंकि वो पूरा रैप सॉन्ग बना दिया है उसको.
Okay.
So I just had to think of these in terms of a new song, while still retaining that original essence. तो वो चीज एक डिफिकल्ट हो जाती है एक्चुअली रीमिक्स बनाने में.
अच्छा.
तो नहीं तो वो हो जाता है ना रीमिक्स, एवरीवन हैज दैट प्रॉब्लम कि अरे यार पुराना ही अच्छा था, why are they touching this?
Correct.
तो that's something that I had to like focus a lot.
वो एक burden और pressure रहता है कि you know
तो
इसको.
वो एक चीज की वजह से मेरे लिए ये डिफिकल्ट हो गया था ज्यादा than composing actual songs.
अच्छा.
But everything depends on how we are going forward.
Right. तो मयूर, हमें बताइए AI का क्या रोल होता है म्यूजिक कॉम्पोजिशन में? इज इट रियली हेल्पिंग द म्यूजिशियंस टुडे?
Okay, so last couple of years में जो AI का बूस्ट हुआ है, it's just come out of nowhere, and कभी लगा नहीं था कि ऐसे वेबसाइट से जिसमें you just type a prompt and पूरा गाना बना के दे देंगे. that sounds real. ऐसा लग रहा है कि किसी ने बनाया है प्रॉपर सॉन्ग. तो म्यूजिक के इसमें like there are some other tools, like एक तो the one I use a lot is voice AI. तो अभी भी मैंने जब वामिका के साथ कोलैबोरेट किया था तो I made the song in a female voice. तो मैंने खुद से गा लिया, फीमेल वॉइस में डाला, and then I showed it to her कि देखो ऐसे है, ऐसे साउंड करेगा, now you just have to sing on top of it.
Wow.
So that made life so easy for her to sing.
Correct.
जबकि शार्क टैंक के टाइम पे वो नहीं था, तो they were also not like ऐसे ना, they were not understanding what they were doing initially. उनकी आवाज से उनको पता चला फिर कि कैसे हो रहा है. So that AI has made that so much easier. In fact, I don't know if ये चीज बोलना चाहिए, but जब मैं songs भी pitch कर रहा हूँ for shows and all like that, I actually use singers का AI model कि ये अरिजीत की वॉइस में कैसे साउंड करेगा, ये सुनीति की वॉइस में कैसे साउंड करेगा, एंड दैट्स एक्चुअली गिविंग देम सच अ ओपन माइंड कि दे डोंट हैव टू सिट एंड ट्राई सो मेनी सिंगर्स. नहीं तो एक प्रॉब्लम इंडस्ट्री में ये भी है कि these big labels will get 20 singers to sing for that one song and then they'll choose. Now they can just use the AI, ना.
Right.
20 singers को एक तो वो लोग पे भी नहीं करते, like they'll pay them only when
they actually
singing, using them.
yeah, okay.
So rather than wasting their time, just use AI to see which one works.
Actually,
so
yeah,
there are a lot of good things. The only one bad side is that anyone can just type and then publish that song, and then people might not know whether they've actually done the hard work to make that song or it's just an AI song.
No, I think पता चल जाता है जो भी, मतलब
अभी थोड़ा बहुत पता चल रहा है, but the way AI is progressing, I think next एक दो साल में it's going to be like that. Yeah.
But yeah, कोई किसी ने हार्ड वर्क नहीं किया है और वो फेक है, तो कभी ना कभी तो लोगों को समझ
ultimately longevity के लिए just songs are not enough. You have to be an artist yourself.
Correct.
You have to have that artist personality also when you're going on stage and everything. वो like people are not following you just for your songs, people are following you for you.
Right.
तो वो एक चीज ज़्यादा important हो जाएगी now that AI has come up.
Right. So who's your favorite musician?
Who's my favorite musician? It's a pinpoint तो नहीं कर पा रहा था, but there are a lot of people I idolize. Like I said, Amit Trivedi. The fact that I got a chance to work with him was such a big deal. A.R. Rahman, I idolize him since childhood. If I go into the Hollywood side also, then Hans Zimmer is hands down. Hans Zimmer is hands down my favorite. And yeah, there are a lot of people वैसे तो हर एक, see what I've done is that I idealized everyone for certain things.
Correct.
तो अगर सिर्फ like uniqueness in the sound है तो that's A.R. Rahman. Like he has a unique thing in, like वो song सुन के पता चल जाता है कि वो A.R. Rahman का song है.
Right. Yeah.
And then I also idolize Anu Malik because the way his 90s was ruled by him.
Yeah.
Like he
the more peppier.
Yeah, and he's a hit
songs,
machine. Like पता है कि अनु मलिक बना रहा है तो वो गाना hit होने वाला है.
Right.
Like it will have that catchiness. It will have something that you keep on listening to that song.
Yeah.
So like everyone has that thing, and I've tried to idealize that one thing from everyone.
Right. So you take inspiration from everyone whenever.
Yeah.
तो बेसिकली आप इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से लेते हैं टू क्रिएट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ म्यूजिक या डिफरेंट साउंड्स इन म्यूजिक?
Oh, like I said, na, I take a spaceship, I go to Mars से sorry. But inspiration का ऐसे कुछ है नहीं, like
नहीं,
जब
जैसे
आज
अभी मैंने आपका एक वीडियो देखा था, आप साउंड सुन रहे थे कहीं जाके,
अच्छा वो तो
तो वो एक दैट इज
हाँ.
लाइक इफ यू नो साउंड्स यू कैन क्रिएट इट बेटर, राइट?
So
What
that's
I'm trying to
I
ask.
I realized this very late when the whole social media journey started कि I can hear sounds in everything.
हाँ
Like even when you're talking, I know the pitch that you're talking. A minor जा रहा है, ये जा रहा है वो.
हाँ, right.
So वो भी हो रहा है, rhythm भी मेरे दिमाग में चलते
हाँ,
रहता है.
like sounds of waves,
Yeah,
sounds
so
of
that's why I
birds
started.
chirping. बहुत सारे sounds है ना,
Exactly,
like you-
exactly.
like-
Everything for me is like एक तरीके से एक sound बन के आ रहा है.
जी
Like if I just focus on that, मेरे दिमाग में वो already एक beat ready हो जाएगा.
हाँ
तो I just converted that into a series abhi for social media, and like it's called Sounds of series. So sounds of a certain place, sounds of something, sounds of IPL. तो IPL
अच्छा.
में like bat
हाँ,
hitting का sound और वो
correct.
सब भी है. तो I just like making converting जो मेरे दिमाग में है ना
हाँ,
चल रहा है वो
हाँ.
converting that into an
Into-
actual song and putting it out.
wow,
तो
that's so
वो एक चीज
interesting.
I'm doing nowadays.
wow, so वही है जो आपके दिमाग में चल रहा है, उसको एक क्रिएशन, म्यूजिक
Yeah.
पीस बनाना, that's an art.
I think सबके दिमाग में बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें चल रही है.
Right.
The main thing is how do you get your audience to connect with it? How do you package it in a way कि audience को पसंद आएगा वो चीज?
right.
तो yeah, that's the whole social media game.
So packaging भी बहुत important है, right? So Mayur, tell me something about your recent collabs.
Recent collabs तो काफी सारे actually lined up है. एक अभी आ गया रहेगा by the time this airs. It's
Okay.
this collaboration with Vamika Gabbi, who's the actress in that new upcoming movie with Rajkumar Rao.
जी
एंड वो तो क्रेजी हुआ था बिकॉज एक तो मुझे मिले ही थे 2 या 3 दिन टोटल सब कुछ करने में इंक्लूडिंग द म्यूजिक वीडियो. एंड आई थिंक द वे वी पुल्ड ऑफ द म्यूजिक वीडियो इज इनसेन. मैंने इसका इसलिए व्लॉग भी बना दिया. नाउ वन थिंग दैट आई एम चेंजिंग विथ माय प्रीवियस सेलिब्रिटी कोलैब्स वर्सेस नाउ इज दैट बिकॉज पीपल आर मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन नोइंग हाउ इट्स हैपनिंग,
right.
in knowing the behind the scenes and कि बना कैसे रहा हूँ मैं और
हाँ,
उनकी
हाँ.
आवाज़ को कैसे चेंज कर रहा हूँ. So I've started making these long format videos also और इसको पूरा series बना रहा हूँ.
अच्छा
The great thing is that there are other artists also lined up for the series which is going
Okay.
to come soon. But that Vamika thing really like the best part was that she herself, she didn't know but she's actually a good singer. In fact there was a point where I felt like ये तो सुनीति चौहान की आवाज़ लग रही है मुझे.
okay.
That because actually में even she was shocked to understand कि उसकी आवाज में है वो थोड़ा बहुत जो सुर था वो तो मैंने फिक्स कर लिया, which again I showed it in my making video also, but the way the video turned out was insane.
okay.
Hmm.
So ये तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बात है. हमें बताइए कि नेक्स्ट क्या करने वाले हैं इस सीरीज में और किसके
Next,
साथ कोलैब
तो,
है?
like I said, there are quite a few artists that I'm talking to. We are making songs. तो अभी I'm not making those small 1 minute songs anymore. I want to make proper long format songs which we
Okay.
can release also. So like अभी बात चल रही है कुछ artists के साथ and soon you'll be not just listening to them sing but seeing the whole like package music
Wow.
video and seeing the whole behind the scenes and everything. तो सब कुछ बन रहा है अभी.
So full length songs आएंगे अभी,
या
like,
फुल लेंथ सॉन्ग्स भी आ रहा है पूरा. मतलब नाउ आई हैव गॉटन अ टीम आल्सो. पहले जो मैं कैजुअली करता था ना कि चलो इनके साथ एक गाना बना
हाँ
दिया,
जी.
नाउ इट्स टर्निंग आउट टू बी अ प्रोजेक्ट एन आईपी इन
Right.
इटसेल्फ.
right. That's interesting actually. मतलब
Hmm.
5-6 मिनट का प्रॉपर सॉन्ग
हाँ 5-6 मिनट नहीं बट 2.5 मिनट्स के जो
के
सॉन्ग्स
सॉन्ग्स
होते हैं. हाँ.
रहेंगे. नाइस. मयूर, सिंस यू डोंट फिट इनटू द इंडस्ट्री नॉर्म्स, क्योंकि आपकी म्यूजिक इतनी ट्रेडिशनल नहीं है, तो आप यूजुअली कैसे फिट इन कर लेते हैं?
आई थिंक फिट इन करना ही क्यों है.
Okay.
द रीजन आई स्टार्टेड दिस क्योंकि एक गैप बच गया था म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में.
जी.
लाइक जो बॉलीवुड में सॉन्ग्स आ रहे हैं वो टिपिकल वही सॉन्ग्स है जो
जी.
हम लोग बार बार सुनते रहते हैं.
करेक्ट.
जो नए सॉन्ग्स भी आ रहे थे they were just taking from the mean क्या चल रहा है
हाँ.
कि ये टाइप का गाना चल रहा है तो यही बना दो. So the reason I started doing everything on social media was because audiences are ready for something new.
Right.
Like उन लोगों को चाहिए कुछ नया.
Right.
So that's why I started doing this. Now, of course, if I'm doing OTT and I'm doing Bollywood songs, जो एक दो projects अभी बाद में भी आने वाले हैं, it has to be like a good balance between the two. कि something that the audience are expecting also, but something that's unexpected that they will like. तो वो एक चीज maintain करना जरूरी है. Especially with my songs, because like you said, audiences expect something different from me.
Correct.
So same thing what I did with the Hum Thi Wo Thi track. I started the whole song just by Foley कि पुलिस का सायरन का साउंड, ये साउंड, वो साउंड, एंड वैसे हम लोग ने पूरा गाना बनाया था. इट्स लाइक वेरी रेयर टू सी दैट कमिंग ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन.
Right.
तो like just combining the two and building it, that's what, like having a balance between them.
हाँ.
That's what I'm
तो
doing.
आजकल वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बहुत यूज होता है, यू नो, साउंड्स
Yeah,
क्रिएट करने
yeah.
में. इवन सिंगिंग में बहुत ज्यादा दे वॉइस
Singing में it's the
मॉड्यूलेशन में भी
modulation,
यूज
yeah.
होता है. तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
वो तो मतलब लास्ट एटलीस्ट 10 साल से तो चल ही
हाँ,
रहा है.
चल रहा है.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक म्यूजिक आई थिंक केम अप इन द अर्ली 2000s, 2010 में फेमस हुआ. बट द गुड थिंग इज दैट एवरीथिंग इज मर्ज्ड टुगेदर एंड पीपल आर लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक साउंड का एक अलग नीश बन गया था पहले, बट नाउ एवरीथिंग इज टुगेदर. कि क्या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक है, क्या ऑर्गेनिक है,
पता नहीं
चलता है, which is a good thing. कि
अच्छा.
we are making, मतलब ultimately it's the genre it's your song that speaks, not even the genre.
करेक्ट.
Like we don't have to rely कि ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक साउंड है, कि ये वो साउंड है.
हाँ.
Like genre wise split करना मुझे तो पसंद नहीं है.
राइट.
तो now because मैं गिटार रिकॉर्ड करूंगा तो भी सेम साउंड आएगा, अगर मैं कीबोर्ड में एक VST के थ्रू बजाऊंगा तो भी ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर साउंड आ जाएगा.
अच्छा.
And there are some new technologies that have come up by which you can make that instrument as real as possible. AI भी आ गया है.
Right.
Like I can actually just मेरा phone लेके I can do some hum a sound and उसको वो violin में convert कर देगा.
Wow.
Like it's come up to
वो
that
तो
point.
आपको
AI.
बताना पड़ेगा for sure.
So a good thing is that I can make these songs on the fly. जैसे स्पेन में था तभी मैंने पूरा एक सॉन्ग बना दिया एज आई एम लाइक फोन से रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था चीज़ें. एंड घर पे जाके लाइक होटल रूम में जाके ऑल आई हैड वाज माय लैपटॉप, एयरपॉड्स, एंड उसमें मेरे पूरा सॉन्ग रेडी हो रहा था. तो द गुड थिंग इज दैट सॉन्ग क्रिएशन इज ईजियर. योर converting your ideas into songs have become very much easy.
Right.
Actually, I don't see a bad side to it. It's a good thing only.
So
Yeah.
yeah, I think as long as the
Yeah.
लोगों को मजा
The
आए
only
सुनने
small
में,
bad side
music.
is that people are not willing to play instruments anymore. Like I have, मैं ये सब कर रहा हूँ after knowing I think 15-20 instruments.
Right.
उसके बाद मैं ये सब कर रहा हूँ. Now the new generation that has come up will be like क्यों बजा रहा हूँ मैं instrument? I'll just rather just do this only phone के साथ, AI के साथ.
या ऐड कर लो कहीं
हाँ.
से.
और
you know,
singing
like
also.
that, yeah. हाँ.
Like singing also, like एक basic level तक आ गया, then you're like auto tune कर लेगा ना बाकी सब. मैं क्यों इतनी मेहनत करूँ, हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल सीखूँ इतने साल.
Yeah, but वो I don't know, वही है, मतलब टैलेंट है तो ही आई थिंक
Exactly, yeah.
लोग आगे जा सकते हैं.
Ultimately, yeah, all these tools are tools.
Right.
Ultimately, it's your talent that will speak.
करेक्ट. और वो तो नेचुरली आपने सीखा है म्यूजिक, सो यू नो यू टेकन इट फॉरवर्ड.
Yeah.
जिसने म्यूजिक सीखा ही नहीं है या उसके ABC नहीं पता है, वो खाली एक गाना बना के म्यूजिक
नहीं,
डाल देगा.
exactly, वो नहीं
इट इज
होगा
नॉट
कुछ.
गोइंग टू बी इनफ, यू नो, इन द
Yeah.
लॉन्ग रन. क्योंकि आपको वो नॉलेज, आपका बैकग्राउंड वही तो हेल्प करता है,
Exactly.
यू नो.
Let's say एक song somehow कुछ तो luck by chance viral गया भी. You will never be able to sustain that as your career.
Right.
Because you have to sing live also. You have to do a lot of other things
Correct,
जो
correct,
which you
correct.
cannot do.
Yeah.
उसके लिए वो सब basics चाहिए ही चाहिए.
Correct. So Mayur, tell me something about the live performances. How do you perform? How do you go about it?
Performances तो I've been doing since a while. 2014 में मैंने DJing चालू किया था. Even before Berkeley.
अच्छा.
So while I was engineering के just बाद I was working and I'm like side by side थोड़ा DJing या ये कुछ कर लेते हैं. Just to get that experience. And DJing में I used to bring my guitar and things to play live also. तो तभी से ही I was in that innovative zone कि कुछ तो नया करना है.
Right.
कि simple DJing नहीं, I'll just get my instruments and play things live also for the audience. तो तभी से ही एक idea तो था. Spain में also I played a lot of gigs. In fact, after that I was in US for about 6-8 months. वहाँ पे भी I played a lot of gigs in LA. फिर मुंबई में आके I kind of reduced that because मुझे श्योर नहीं था कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ लाइव में.
Hmm.
Now that the whole social media thing has picked up again, I've started putting out original songs also. तो वो एक live का scene चल रहा है. I'm also like पहले I never used to sing live because like I said ना मैं I'm a composer first. I never feel कि I'm a singer.
Okay.
वो तो थोड़ा बहुत जो भी हम लोग ने बात किया उसकी वजह से मैं मेरे songs at least I sound that well. But I've been focusing on my singing last couple of years. Thoda working on my voice as well.
अच्छा.
And I feel like abhi it's a good time to get on stage and start singing also. And regarding what people have said, so just recently, I think last year, not recently, I did a show. I did a show in this award function called Creators United, and audience was amazing. There were at least 1,000 to 2,000 people in the audience, and the kind of feedback that I got was insane. That was the first time I was singing also on stage. So like people, I did a couple of original songs and people were just raving about the originals. I did meme mashups, I did a collaboration, I did some cover also, but they were not talking about that. They were talking about my original song, which was a big deal for me.
Correct.
Because I never thought कि originals पे इतना ये आ सकता है. Like even if you see the whole social media
Because
graph,
I think जब आप live perform करते हैं जो वो reaction है वो live है, that comes from the
Yeah,
heart,
it
you
comes
know.
from the heart, exactly.
Yeah, so I think that's very important for
yeah,
a
yeah.
performer, right?
Exactly.
So Mayur, tell me, do you make music for yourself or do you make music for the audience?
Great question. इसका आंसर कैसे दूँ? I do make music for the audience.
Okay.
That's I think one thing about me. Like that's my USP. कि I'm
Achha.
making music to entertain the audience. That's
Okay.
my social media. At the same time, I am the original songs that I'm working on. I am doing it for myself.
Okay.
Whatever feelings and emotions I have inside, like वो भी तो बाहर आना चाहिए ना. It's
जी.
not something that सिर्फ लोगों के emotions
हाँ, correct.
को ही cater करना है. So I am putting those things out in my original songs as well. So it's kind of a mix of both, and I think that's necessary because you know a lot of artists will be like मैं तो खुद के लिए गाना बनाता हूँ and like this is all me and all that, but like उससे how do you expect to connect with the audience if you're making it for yourself?
Yeah, acceptance भी तो मिलना
Yeah,
चाहिए.
yeah, yeah. You have to connect with the audience in a way where, and especially people who are at that point who have got a lot of big hits and who have a lot of fan following. If they say कि नहीं है मैं तो music खुद के लिए बनाता हूँ, they are lying.
Right.
They will definitely think कि और like ये मेरी audience है, इनको कुछ क्या पसंद आएगा.
Right.
At least a little bit. Like they will mix their emotions into it, but they will ultimately make songs for them.
Right.
तो वो तो होगा ही. But at the same time, like I said ना कि if I'm just catering to the audience, मैं खुद की creativity नहीं ला रहा हूँ. What am I giving to them?
हाँ, वो भी
Like-
है. So yeah, ये tussle
Yeah,
है.
so it's a
मतलब
balance.
like, yeah. ठीक है. तो मयूर, ऐसी कोई इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है आपकी म्यूजिकल जर्नी के बारे में which might surprise the people?
Which might surprise. एक चीज बोलना चाहूँगा कि you know how all these creators and people on social media they want to go big into the Bollywood industry now. Like social media हो गया अभी they want to get into the big leagues. I was in the Bollywood industry in 2019, 2020 and then I came to the creator side. मेरे लिए
Right.
the whole journey has been उल्टा.
अच्छा.
In fact, the shocking thing would be कि the first movie, the first short film that I scored, in fact, the only short film that I have scored the whole background score and composed everything. I won a CCSFA award,
Okay.
Critics Choice Award, and that's the only film I've scored for. क्योंकि उसके बाद ये सब lockdown ये सब हो गया.
हाँ जी.
Then I was like focusing on this only, but yeah, that's a pretty good record. 1 out of 1, and I've got an award for that.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's a rare thing.
Yeah, yeah. But now I'm opening up to going back into the industry, like I said, with these songs and all.
Correct.
Like I would love to have some original songs come out in
Mm.
these shows and all. But at the same time, I want them to be my kind of songs, not the Bollywood songs that are
Right, which are
like-
already there.
Yeah. Hmm.
So,
Because पहले यही होता था कि we had to make things for the show, कि show में ऐसे चाहिए वैसे चाहिए. But now I have the at least like I'm at a point where I can pitch
Yeah.
myself to them कि
Correct.
ये गाना this is coming from my heart, see if that works with your movie.
Right. So if it resonates with the other
Yeah.
people, probably you might get that. Anyways, अभी young musicians को क्या advice देंगे आप? The upcoming musicians को?
My advice would be this only: focus on building your fan following first.
अच्छा.
Like, don't stand outside record labels ki mera CD sun lo ye. Like, that's not going to get you anywhere.
Correct.
At least in the initial stages. But once you have your own connect to your fans, once you have an audience that wants to listen to you, baki sab aa jayega khud se.
Right.
So your direct connect with the fan, and because of social media, it's so easy now.
Yeah. Right.
You just have to take your phone, record yourself doing whatever you're doing, and hope for the best that you will find your audience.
Right. Yeah, I think वही है, talent है तो फिर audience भी
Exactly,
मिल
yeah.
जाएगी, correct?
Hmm.
So Mayur, now this is the end of the session almost. लेकिन जाने से पहले बिना कुछ creative दिखाए या बिना कुछ music सुनाए आपको जाने नहीं देंगे. So can you show us or play some music for us?
Play some music, though I don't know. I can show you something about my process, but again, laptop nahi hai. I can show you something from my phone. Yeah, so can you sing something for me, and then I'll try to make something out of it.
Okay, I'll try.
So wait, I'll just pass you the phone. Start singing. I'll record it in between.
Okay. जाइए आपका.
Okay. That's all I needed.
Okay.
So I just took your aap ka a.
Okay.
So I can just make something out of this, then add drums. इसको मैं loop कर सकता हूँ. So I can just make a song out of anything on the fly, just like that.
Wow, yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome, yeah, Mayur. I mean,
Thanks.
I love your creativity. And I think this was the most fun podcast I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah. Thank you so much for gracing my pod talk.
Thank you so much for calling me.
Yeah,
over.
it was fun having you here.
Same here. I had a lot of fun.
तो दोस्तों ये थी हमारी मुलाकात फेमस म्यूजिशियन मयूर जुमानी के साथ. हमारा पॉडकास्ट बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रहा, जिन्होंने हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताई म्यूज़िक इंडस्ट्री के बारे में, किस तरह से नया म्यूज़िक क्रिएट किया जाता है और यंग म्यूजिशियंस को क्या करना चाहिए म्यूज़िक बनाने के लिए. आज का हमारा ये एपिसोड आपको कैसा लगा हमें ज़रूर कमेंट कीजिए. एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू पॉड टॉक विद एकता. थैंक यू.